Welcome everyone yet to another tutorial regarding the on-screen keyboard. Alright, yes, so when it comes to the on-screen keyboard, you might maybe sometimes want to adjust the height of the keyboard. So how do you do that? So to adjust the height of the keyboard, actually it's very simple. So you just you just basically under your widget here, so KB, which is the keyboard, widget, all right, and then you can just say height, because now you want to adjust the height. All right, so let's say you want the height to be 20, which is of course not a good idea, but anyway, we like trying things, so let's see. Alright, as you can see, I don't think we can call it a keyboard now. It's super squashed. Alright, as you can see, we sort of changed the height. So maybe let's change it to something more realistic. Let's say 100. Okay, let's check it out. Wow, as you can see, the height is now slightly adjusted. Yeah, so maybe let's try 400. Okay, much better. All right, so that is how you adjust the height of your keyboard. I know that once again you might be tempted to maybe change the width. I wouldn't recommend you to do that. Number one, when you change the height, the width sort of like adjusts itself automatically. Let me just show you something. Okay, so as you can see, we have the keyboard here, right? So suppose we sort of adjust our window size, right? As you can see, what happens is that when we adjust our window size, the width sort of like updates accordingly, and when the width updates accordingly, then the height also sort of also adjusts accordingly as well. As you see the height is becoming bigger, and then if you take it in, it's becoming smaller. All right, the reason for this is because we are working with ratios. Basically, it's a ratio, so which means when you change the height, the width adjusts automatically. When you change the width, the height adjusts automatically, basically. And it's the same also with your font size here. Yeah, so everything is sort of linked to each other. In case maybe you don't believe me and you still want to go try it out, I'll do it for you. So widget, right? Widget width. All right, so let's say we want to make the keyboard look more like a square, so we want a width of 400 as well. Okay, let's check it out. What? Well, I did tell you. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial.